You start a prokinetic between rounds because it's so common for people to have like a relapse, basically backsliding at about 2 weeks, sometimes before then. The prokinetic helps you to not have that, because you just need a little time to do the test, retest, get your results back, because you don't know, or maybe it's gone, and maybe you didn't even need that super strong prokinetic, but then again, we use it anyway for prevention. So ongoing once your SIBO's gone. So we do that. Now, you don't have to stay on it when you do your next round, right? Except LDN. LDN, we recommend you stay on because typically it's titrated up from a small dose, and it takes, like we were just talking about, it takes a little while sometimes to get over some side effects. So you just stay on that. But the others you can come off during your treatment round. Now, I think that this was where she was going to go. What do you see better effects if someone's on it or not on it moving forward through the rounds? No difference.
Okay. If the results are equal to or better by continuing the prokinetic during treatment, when you just said, should we?
If they're not better, they're just no different. So you can continue it. This is the thing that confuses people. You can stay on it or not stay on it during a treatment round. It doesn't matter. And then that seems to really confuse people. So it kind of comes down to like a money issue. Like maybe you don't want to be, if it's expensive, you don't want to take those pills you don't need to take them during the treatment round. You will not be at a loss for anything.